a disposable world, essential items of lasting beauty are increasing in worth. Experience the fulfillment of creating heirlooms for succeeding generations with your own hands.
Okay, we're going to cone the clay up now. Now we're going to begin to pull the wall up.
Our experienced craftsmen will guide you through every step. You can create useful, elegant works of pottery, wooden utensils, and so much more.
Hear the tone change as you get towards the end. It should fit in just like this. And there's the finished joint.
When you use the face of the anvil, they call it a non-directional blow because the steel's spreading all directions.
Sign up now for Sustain Life online video courses.